Subsampling plus classifying using Scikit-Learn. I am using Scikit-Learn for a binary classification task. And I have class 0 with 200 observations, class 1 with 50 observations. And because I have an unbalanced data, I want to take a random subsample of the majority class where the number of observations will be the same as the minority class and want to use the new obtained dataset as an input to the classifier. The process of subsampling and classifying can be repeated many times. I have the following code for the subsampling with mainly the help of Amitabori. It works like a charm. However, at the end of processing the majority underscore x and majority underscore y, I want to be able to replace the old set that represent class 0 in x underscore train, y underscore train with a new smaller set in order to pass it as follow to the classifier or the pipeline. What I have done in order to solve this. Since the resulted arrays were numpy arrays, and because I am new to the whole area and I am really trying very hard to learn, I've tried to combine the two resulted arrays together, majority underscore x plus minority underscore x, in order to form the training data that I want. I couldn't, it gave some errors which I'm trying to solve until now, but even if I could, how can I keep their index so the majority underscore y and minority underscore y will be true as well?
After processing majority underscore x and minority underscore y, you can merge your training sets with. Now x underscore train and y underscore train will first contain the chosen samples with y equals 0 and then the samples with y equals 1. An idea for your related question: make your choice of the majority samples by creating a random permutation vector of the length of the number of your majority samples. Then choose the first 50 indices of that vector, then the next 50, and so on. When you are through with that vector, each sample will have been chosen exactly once. If you want more iterations or the remaining permutation vector is too short, you can resort back to random choice. As I mentioned in my comment, you might also want to add the parameter replace equals false in your np.random.choice, if you want to prevent having the same sample multiple times in one iteration.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.